Let me share with you a story about life. A man slaughtered a cow in the countryside and he lit the grill. He told his daughter, "Go and invite our relatives and neighbors to come and celebrate with us the party of the grill. We will have a big barbecue party." The smart girl decided to play a trick on those people who love her family and those people who do not love her family. The smart daughter, instead of calling her dad's friends, relatives, and neighbors, she went out to the street and started shouting, "Please help us put out a fire at my dad's house." She screamed and cried and shouted, but only few people came to check what's going on. So when they came to the house, she smiled at their faces and she said, "That was just a trick to see who is coming." And they feasted and ate all the night. After a while, her dad looked at her and said, "I'm quite surprised that none of my friends or relatives or close friends came to the party. What happened?" "I only see a small group of people whom I barely know." The smart daughter replied to her dad, "Those who came to the party came because I cried to put out a fire at our house." But let me tell you something. The daughter said to her dad, "Those people who you think are yours are not yours." And this is the irony of life that we live in. You will always feel disappointed by some of your friends, even close friends, relatives, neighbors, and even your family to some extent. However, carry on in your life. مدرب الغالي خالد.